Good morning, South Houston Intermediate. Today is Friday, November 20th, the last day before the break, and also our last day of college week. Today is actually Jersey Day. I'm looking forward to seeing a whole bunch of Astros, Rockets, and Texans jerseys in the hallways. And speaking of college week, here are some tips from Miss Powell and Miss Sullivan. If you haven't already looked at those, there's a link here at the bottom of the announcements. You can go check those out. Over the break, you're going to have a lot of free time on your hands. You can get wrapped up in a good book. Join the PISD Holiday Reading Challenge going on right now. You're going to read and log your minutes in Reading Squared. You can earn all your award badges and possibly get some free pizza. Today is the 20th, and it is when grades are due. So make sure you're checking Skyward. You're keeping up with all your classes. Make sure you don't have any missing assignments. Zeros can kill you when it comes to the grade book. Make sure you get all those assignments turned in so we don't have any zeros in that grade book. A reminder, school pictures are going to be on Tuesday, December 1st during our DIY. Tuesday, December 1st during DIY, we're going to be taking school pictures. That is it for the announcements today. I hope you guys have a good break. I'm sure I'll see you sometime throughout the day today. And if I don't, I will see you when we get back.